Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull paper trading. Webull is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a paper trading feature, allowing users to practice trading with fake money. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using Webull paper trading. First, you need to download and install the Webull app or access it through the website. Once you have an account, navigate to the paper trading section. To do this, click on the menu icon and select paper trading from the list of options. Next, you will see your paper trading account balance, which is usually set to $100,000. You can use this fake money to practice trading stocks, options, ETFs, and other financial instruments. To start trading, search for the stock or asset you want to trade and click on it to open the details page. On the details page, you can view the current price, charts, and other relevant information. To place a trade, click on the trade button and select the type of trade you want to make, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell and confirm the trade. Webull paper trading also allows you to set up a watch list of your favorite stocks and track their performance. You can add stocks to your watch list by searching for them and clicking the Add to Watchlist button. This feature helps you stay up to date with market trends and make informed trading decisions. Another important feature of Webull paper trading is the ability to analyze your performance. You can view your trading history, including profits and losses, to identify areas for improvement. This helps you refine your trading strategy and become a better trader. Best practices for using Webull paper trading include starting with a solid understanding of trading basics, setting realistic goals, and avoiding emotional decisions. It is also essential to keep track of your trades and analyze your performance regularly. In conclusion, Webull paper trading is a valuable tool for anyone looking to practice trading without risking real money. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and use Webull paper trading to improve your trading skills and become a more confident investor. Remember to stay disciplined, keep learning, and always prioritize risk management.